Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can bring in multiple devices into your Google Meet without actually having to mess around with the cameras or the microphones and just present in the Google Meet from a different device instead of joining it from that other device with a camera and then presenting. There's a simpler way of doing it. So we're going to show that right now. So I've got this laptop right here getting ready. Can you see that? Getting ready to join a Google Meet. And I've already got my room set up. No one's here. I'm gonna join this. And I'm gonna mute it. So now I'm in my Google Meet with that laptop. So let's say I'm teaching and yada, yada, yada. Hey, how's it going, class? And all that other fun stuff. And I wanna bring in my desktop computer. I might have a smart notebook up, or I might have a Jamboard, and I wanna bring that in. I could share it with my laptop, but for example, let's say we're hybrid teaching where we have to do in-class and virtual students. We want to still have our desktop up on the projector with our Jamboard or our smart notebook, and also present that to our students that are visiting remotely. What we can do is present directly from the join screen. I'm going to switch over to my desktop, and you notice over here on the right side there is a present button. You must almost 99% of the time always use join now, but we can say present, and when we do the present, it's going to ask us which screen we want to present. Just like normal, we can present the entire screen, we can present the windows. I just want to present my Google Jamboard tab. Now, this is my desktop. This is what the students will be seeing in my classroom. And let me switch up back over to the laptop. This is what my students remotely will be seeing. The exact same screen, but it's just all in the, it's pretty big, and we don't have to worry about using camera. We don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So I'm going to do that again. We're going to sign out of this. So what you're seeing right now is my laptop, which would be doing the Google Meet with my class. And I'm going to join that same Google Meet with my desktop. But instead of hitting the join now and then using the present, I'm just going to hit the present and then select the tab I want to share, or the screen, or the window. Now, my classroom is seeing this. And let me show you what's on the other. My remote students are seeing this. So it's the same. Let me toggle those so you can see. It's the same screen for your classroom and your remote. And you don't have to do anything special because your desktop's already hooked up to your projector so they can all see it. So that's just a quick way to use that present button that was always there and you probably might not have ever used it. I hope this video was of value. If so, hit that like button and also visit my website over at educate.me. Stay classy.